Welcome to day 4 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge. But wait. Are you dressed to shoes? Today, once again, is going to be a super easy one. It's going to be super duper quick, but let's not forget our habits that we've been working on, such as shining the sink every night and dressing to shoes every day. Be sure that you are doing these habits. Yesterday, we've even added some mini connections into our habits, such as after you dress the shoes, unload the dish rack or the dishwasher. And in the night, after you shine your sink, make sure to run your dishwasher. Or if you don't have a dishwasher, make sure you wash your dishes and put them in the dish rack before shining your sink. Today's challenge is going to be super easy. Today we're going to start the beginning of something big. But since we're not there yet, we're going to use sticky notes. You can use them as small or as big as you want to, but today's challenge, we're going to write our reminders on a sticky note. Write down everything that we've been doing so far in a sticky note to remind you. Shining your sink, you're going to stick it by your sink. Dressing to shoes, you might want to stick it by your closet in the morning or your mirror, wherever it is that you get dressed by. These small sticky notes are going to be your cue, your new life with your organized and forever clean home. Believe me, this is a domino effect. Pretty soon, we're going to be doing something super fun that's going to take the place of these sticky notes. So get ready, you don't want to miss a beat. Make sure you are subscribed and that you turn on your notification bell. Don't forget, this is a challenge and someone will win a prize. So make sure that you're commenting done after each and every single one of your baby steps item. We're already in day number 4. This will fly by. Grab your sticky notes because here we go. Going to be so much fun. I'm already having a blast. Don't forget to play something fun as you're doing these challenges. Yes, even the short ones such as these, it does make a huge difference. Don't forget to get your free calendars down in the description bar below. You're going to want to follow along each and every step of the way. They're absolutely for free. All you have to do is download them. There are 2 calendars there, one for September and one for October. So make sure you're getting it so that you may follow along. I hope you had a lovely Labor Day yesterday, and I hope that you join me tomorrow for the next challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.